Not that I don't like him, but I think he no longer speak. He's shifting towards something that is not. He's been identified by a system that wants to profile and project him as the next Thabo Mbeki. They are creating another neoliberal in him. And that's the problem with him. You know, I was talking to him sometime this week on the phone. And I raised these things to say, you are being captured. And I'm worried that you are being captured. I'm looking at the movement from parliament to radio to podcast to the Mbeki Foundation and everything, because we know how the system operates. The system captures you and wants you to be one of its own. It has its own people that it knows when it will unleash.